Hi, and welcome to Lesson 5 of Composite Products for WooCommerce, Shipping and Inventory Management for Composite Products. In this video, we will cover how to configure shipping settings and manage inventory for composite products in WooCommerce, regardless of whether your products are shipped assembled or unassembled. You need to track stock at both the composite and component level. Let's dive in. Go to the product settings for the product you've created as a composite product. When you scroll down, go to shipping. First, we have composite type. Composite products can be categorized as either physical or virtual. Physical composite products need to be shipped or picked up. Virtual composite products do not require shipping. From the shipping perspective, physical composite products are further classified as assembled or unassembled. Assembled kits consist of multiple products that are physically assembled in a common container. Unassembled kits group together some products that do not require assembly. You can choose your option here. If you select unassembled, there are no shipping options to configure. The contents of the composite product retain their dimensions, weight, and shipping classes. If you select assembled, the weight, assembled weight, dimensions, and shipping class will be displayed. You can add the weight here. For the assembled weight, you can either select ignore or preserve. You can also add the dimensions and the shipping class you created. If you have a fixed rate, you can choose the ignore option. If you prefer to calculate it dynamically, select preserve. This field is treated as a container weight, and the weight of the assembly is calculated by adding the container's weight and the weight of the assembled contents. By mastering these steps, you can optimize your store for complex product setups. Subscribe to Sleeker Digital for more plugin tutorials.